G'day YouTube. This is just a really quick look at the most recent release of Lubuntu 16.04. It has come out just a few days ago. Now, of course, it is related to Ubuntu, and the difference is, of course, the L at the front, which actually stands for LXDE, which is the LXDE sort of desktop that you can see hanging around here. So the whole point of the Lubuntu distribution is to be really just lightweight, fast, simple, not too complex, doesn't have too much, but can get all the work done that you would normally want to do on a desktop anyway. So this is just, as I mentioned, just a really quick look at it. It's not quite an overview or looking at some of the features so much, but just, yeah, as I said, a quick look. So as you can expect, the latest kernel, I believe, would be 4.4 point something. Let's just go, I think it's uname A. Here we go, so 4.4.0-21 generic, all of that. So it is the latest kernel, just the same as Ubuntu, which is great to see. Moving on, we have also something else that's lightweight, is the file manager. So you've got the desktop manager or whole experience here, but on top of that you've got the file manager too, and in this case this one is the PC Man FM 1.2.4, so also a very lightweight sort of window explorer there as well, which is great to see. Moving on, it doesn't take up a lot of RAM, so as we can see, all CPU usage running at 2%, which is great to see, and a whopping 230 megabytes. Just kidding, that's hardly anything at all, which is really good to see on this gigabyte RAM setup that I have here on a VirtualBox. So all in all, it's a really simple, lightweight Linux distribution. This is more of an educational video, I suppose, in the sense that showing you guys, explaining what it is for if you guys don't know about or haven't heard about Lubuntu before. Just one of the many varieties of Ubuntu out there, and I've actually used it from time to time. In fact, it was my main desktop for a while there back in the day, main OS. Also, you will see a whole flurry of software packages here and there, something I don't get into too much because you can install pretty much anything that you want that you can also get on Ubuntu as well. So a few system tools and things there. You can update the preferences, make a few changes here and there, but all in all, still a very lightweight desktop, less customization available, but being Linux, you could probably still do whatever you wanted to it if you really wanted. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just a short, quick summary video on Lubuntu 16.04, the latest release. Definitely recommend it if you've got a pretty old, sort of low-spec laptop hanging around in the background there somewhere. Alright, cheers guys, hope you've enjoyed.